Another trip scarred by...
Honey, there's nobody out there to see you.
This is what she's worried. Somebody's going to see her out there.
What if hold up, okay.
Okay.
I don't even know how to do this.
Going in the tissue box.
Just take your pants
Just pretend the
down.
tissue
don't
box
look at me.
is
I'm
the
not
toilet bowl. Okay?
Mom, I feel like I'm gonna make many mistakes.
Okay, keep the
Alright,
plastic
just keep
around
the
it in
plastic
case anything
around it.
overflows.
Okay, I'm taking some of the tissues out so I
No,
can...
don't take any more out.
Katya's getting freaked
I
out.
hate myself. Mom, stop, you're getting close, you're getting close.
No. Katya, how do you feel about
Okay,
this?
wait.
Yes.
I'm gonna keep my seatbelt on while
Alice, you can
Don't
take
keep
your
your
seatbelt
seatbelt.
off, please.
I'm just gonna take all the tissues out of the box.
No!
What the heck, Alex?
Alex, keep
I
it
can't-
the way it is.
I cannot pee into it like this.
Oh, okay. You're going to pee into the bag with the tissues in it, right? Tissues
Can I just
in
pee
the bag.
into the bag?
Pee with the tissues in
With
it.
the
It's gotta
tissues.
absorb it.
Okay, I am. Are we just gonna throw the bag out the window?
No!
Oh. Okay,
We're
wait.
going to hang it on the antenna.
Okay, wait. I'm not gonna catch this.
Alex,
Mom, I'm really scared to do this.
just a wad, okay? I have other tissues.
No, we got all the things, tissues
I'm
in the
really
trunk.
scared that I'm gonna pee on everything right now. Wait,
Well, fortunately, it's not our car.
Alright.
Wow, okay, we'll return. People are gonna see me.
Honey, nobody's seeing you.
Okay, wait, let me sit on top of it.
There you go. Sit on top.
It's all in the plastic bag, right?
There's people right there. Okay.
Where?
That truck!
Okay. Katya's got you
Mom, get
covered.
away.
Okay?
Should I just go?
Yeah.
Go, please.
I'm not gonna make it.
Now wait for the countdown.
On your marks.
I'm not gonna make this.
Make what?
What do you mean make it? You better make it.
Oh my god. Why can't...
Okay, I'm going. My body's like not.
Is it clenching?
Yes. Oh my god, I'm peeing in a bag right now. I've never hated myself more. Oh my god, it's leaking through.
Okay. All right.
Wait.
We'll mop it up.
Alright.
Oh my god. What
Okay.
the fuck is happening to it?
Alex.
It's a lot. Okay, it's all over me.
Should I pull off and get the other Kleenex?
Oh my god, it's all over me right
All
now.
right. Okay.
I'm really grossed
Oh,
out.
here's somebody
This
else.
is happy day.
Alright, just hold on. Honey, you're fine. I'm not going to run off the road.
It fell to the bag.
Okay, Alice.
Okay. Can you get out or you have to come this way? Be
Wait,
careful.
I don't even care if you guys see me anymore. There's just a lot of pee on me.
Okay, what's going on now? You're done?
Yes, no, okay, do not film me. I am
What
not
did you just
prepared,
say,
Mom.
Katya? Your arm's getting tired?
Today is the day I became a woman.
5, 4,
Whoa.
Stop counting. I hate
Two.
when you count.
1.
Are you decent?
Yeah.
All right. You want to say anything
Taking
to the
off my
camera?
belt for like the 5th time today since they literally stopped me at the friggin' Hoover Dam. Do you have any large belt buckles? I literally have a fabric belt on.
You got a big buckle.
All right.
Imagine what they do.